Welcome to MarineMax Copiague. Today we're going to walk through the 19 SPX outboard. Up here in the bow, plenty of storage underneath both sides. Moving to the aft, storage compartment in this. Place to put your cell phones and other stuff when you're underway. Helm station, you have your gauges, depth finder, stereo, and your throttle. This is displayed as a bench seat. Fold up. Put it under. Now you can sit down while you're driving. Storage in this compartment. And storage in this compartment as well. Great part about the outboard. Huge storage compartment. Here you have some life jackets, some fenders. Ski pylon when you want to go tubing, and you have a Mercury 4-stroke 150. Thank you guys.